Check this shit out, folks. A few inches of snow so far. Look at 32 today. Nobody on that beast. This dude's already got his snow blower out. I'm 32, ladies and gentlemen. Alpena, Michigan. I gotta get out of the neighbor's way. He's probably gonna powerhouse it up out of here today. Let's check that situation out. Oh, not even gonna try. Ripping. Let's check him out. Gonna make a nice little video. Oh, we got a traffic pile up back here today. I'm 32, ladies and gentlemen, 55 miles an hour. They're going about 20. There's the school bus. They actually had school today. School is canceled. Friggin' school canceled. Risking all the little kids' lives to get a little bit of education. Edumacations. Look at that. I can't even turn that way. 360 snowstorm, folks. Holy shit, man. Whiteout conditions, as you can tell. This is M32, Alpena, Michigan. I got snow coming in my coat. Ripping. Ripping. Just ripping. This is awesome. Friggin' awesome. Look at how much snow we got so far. No joke. No joke in the picker hood. I can't see a thing. All I got is snow on my camera, folks. All we got's a bunch of friggin' snow. Windshield wipe off my camera lens. Look at that. Hazards on and shit. M32, Alpena, Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. Look, you can tell. It's a blizzard, folks. People are snow blowing. Been waiting for this guy to go by. It's about time. Shit. Road after they plowed it. This guy's getting over, letting the other guy pass. He says, this son of a bitch going too fast. Winter in Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. As you can tell, I'm cold. Look at it. One last 360 and I'm getting back inside. Scrappy, you pissing boy? Oh, she's a whiteout condition blizzard in the picker hood today, ladies and gentlemen. I could barely get it on video considering all the snow keeps flying into my camera. As you can tell, we got a few inches so far. Supposed to get like 7 inches of friggin' snow today. Look at it today, ladies and gentlemen. It ain't hail, it ain't rain, it ain't even big waves, it's a friggin' snowstorm. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting whiteout conditions in the picker hood, as you can tell. As you can tell, friggin' snow is coming in big time. We're supposed to get 7 inches. We already got a few. Dog was out earlier. You can see his tracks are filling in. Snow is coming in big time in the Picker Hood. Yesterday we were getting waves. Today it's a friggin' snowstorm. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Barely see the semi. That's pretty friggin' cool. Yep, blizzard in the Picker Hood today. Blizzard in the friggin' Picker Hood. Why they had school today, I have no idea. I have no friggin' clue why they would have school today. It's cold. Check the local weather report with John the Picker today, ladies and gentlemen. We got whiteout conditions in the Picker Hood. Getting a little clipper running through. Supposed to dump like 7 inches of snow. Already got a couple, as you can tell. Holy shit, man. What's up with this Michigan weather, boys? Look at it. Blizzard. Friggin' blizzard. You can barely see down the street. Barely see the sign across the street. Look at it. It's a friggin' lot of friggin' snow we're getting. Guys, we got a little clipper slash blizzard running through the Picker Hood. We're supposed to get 7 inches of friggin' snow. We already got a couple, as you can tell. Look at the snow's just coming in. That's awesome. Whiteout conditions today in the Picker Hood. Whiteout conditions. Oh yeah. Look at it. Billions of pieces of little snow. Billions of snowflakes flying around today. Oh yeah, blizzard in the Picker Hood. That's friggin' awesome. Whew, I could barely even record. Look at the camera's getting all snowed up. Oh my god, guys, you're not gonna believe what's going on. There is friggin' snow coming down. Look at it. Just look at it. Would you look at it? Take one look at it. Alright, that's all I'm going to tape today, but I just thought I'd let you know there's a blizzard in the hood. Bye-bye. Hee. Alright, YouTube, where am I at today? The Arctic Circle, you ain't going to believe it. Yesterday we didn't have no snow. Look at it today. Blizzard, whiteout conditions and everything. Oh yeah, we got a big blizzard running through the Picker Hood. Look at that. Holy shit, man. We got a lot of snow so far. Lots of friggin' snow today. Big blizzard running through the Picker Hood. Look, you can't even see the cars in the parking lot. Big old blizzy. Yep, snowstorm rolling through the Picker Hood. I'll tell you how much snow we get on the end of this. This is going to be video 1. Hold on, let me clear our vision. We're getting a little snowy. Gotta use the wipers, boys. It's like being in a car. This is friggin' nuts. What you see down the street. There's the gas station. Then there's down 32. Holy shit, man. Can you believe, ladies and gentlemen, with all this snow we just got, they had school today. Holy shit, man. They canceled that really quick. Canceled school already. Imagine that.